If you want to know how to fix all camera problem on Snapchat, you've come to the right place. So here we are on our Snapchat, and as you can see, I can easily use camera, I can send snaps and do some other stuff. And the first problem we can reach while using Snapchat is that we cannot get access to camera. So how can we fix it? Basically, we need to open our settings and then we need to scroll down to find all the apps we have. And here click on Snapchat, so it should be somewhere here. Click on Snapchat, and then as you can see we have a camera settings, so we need to turn it on. So basically if we'll turn it off, we'll receive problems something like this: oops, Snapchat can't use camera. So we need to allow the access, so we can click on open settings and then just turn this function on. So this is the best, the easiest way of how can we turn this feature on, turn access to camera. And the next thing we can try to fix is that camera quality, because while we are using Snapchat, the camera quality could be not that good as, for example, on my iPhone or on your Android phone or on other phones. So how can we fix it? Basically, we have the solution. If we're going to close the app and we'll try to open our camera, go to video, as you can see in the right top corner, we can simply change quality. So now I'm recording in 4K and 60 FPS. This is the highest quality possible on iPhone. So we can try to record our camera through camera app, record snaps, record stories, and do some other stuff for Snapchat. And after that, we can simply close it and open our Snapchat back. And if we'll click on our gallery in the left bottom corner right up here, we'll come to our camera roll where we can easily find a lot of stuff we can upload to Snapchat. So if you'll switch to camera roll, we can easily find all the data, all the media we've recorded on Snapchat. So as you can see, I've followed a lot of screen recordings here, but we can also use our camera to record stories, to record snaps. And this is a way of how can we increase camera quality on Snapchat. This is the easiest way. And I suggest you to do it because this is the best way of how can we fix camera problems, camera quality on Snapchat. So this is a way of how can we fix all camera problems on Snapchat. Leave a like, subscribe, goodbye.